with these a while
telling me
ago.
that if I keep sleeping on my stomach at night, my boobs will be flat.
Like squish.
My mom's sitting there smiling to get things on the
Oh my god, Zizi, your boobs are humongous. They are. Oh my god.
This is Chuck, and this is Larry.
Oh my god. Crazy. You're so fucking weird.
PELTON, please say freaking.
You're like the weirdest one in the grade now. I mean, like, except for SKEINA, obviously, but...
My boobs don't have names.
Where's Skimmy? Did you guys say she was invited?
Oh, yeah, no, she was invited, but she can't come because she has to do this, like, lame thing with her brother or whatever.
She doesn't have a brother.
A brother from another mother.
You're saying some slang, it's making me nervous.
She can't help it. It's because Zizi's boobs are driving her insane.
Yeah. Boobs. Boobs.
Okay, wait. Do you guys want to watch Andy Melanakis?
Oh.
Lovely frigid air you got there.
You hungry?
No. Yeah, I just have really low blood sugar. My mom's stepdad has diabetes, and she had to live with him for like 6 years when she was a kid, and she said that just being around him, she felt her biochemistry reconstruct itself. So, you know, I was feeling fatigued when I was...
While you were sleeping?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yep, just my doctor told me I should stay abreast of the situation.
Oh my God! I didn't mean to look. It's just.
Yeah, you're not the first person.
God damn it! I am so sorry.
It's okay.
I mean, I would never.
Never what?
Ah!
Are you screaming?
It's just, God, you used to be so little. You and NAIA were running around in Kim Possible underwear, eating popsicles or T-ball. I was the coach. I coached T-ball. You were terrible, right? No athletic ability whatsoever. And now, I used to know how to talk to you girls.
How come you don't now?
Because you look all grown up.
So you don't know how to talk to grown-ups?
No,
You don't know how to talk to girls?
I guess so.
But your wife is a girl, and you got her to marry you. I don't know how to talk to girls either.
That actually gives me a little bit of relief. I've always felt that...
I think I'm a pervert. I think I'm a pervert. Big time. I also look at boobs by accident. Sometimes on purpose. Sometimes I start looking and I just can't stop. Tiny boobs like SKEINA's, or triangle boobs like Rhea Pummard's, or big, round, perfect Victoria's Secret boobs with quarter-sized nipples, or even old boobs like the lady who waits for the 250 bus by my house. Every second of every day, I'm either thinking about looking or not looking or trying not to look but still looking, and it feels like a balloon is being blown up inside my stomach upside down, and if God knows my secret, then he will hate me, but I just can't stop. I think I'm sleepwalking. It runs in my family. I think I better just go back upstairs.
Wait!
Zizi? Shh, I'm sleepwalking.